Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a couple of more ways that you can do the Coccyx swirl. So I did a video about how to make circles with your tailbone, and people really seemed to like that video, and I got a lot of feedback from it. So I wanted to show you a couple more ways that you could actually spin your tailbone in a circle to help loosen up your back and just really feel good. And so what we're gonna do is, so in that other video we were feet together and we were just, the very tip of your tailbone is, imagine it's a Sharpie marker and you're just trying to draw circles with it. And you wanna go one way and the other way. So we did that. This way, today, we're gonna stagger our feet. We're gonna stagger our feet and put a slight bend in your knees, and now we're going to draw those same circles. And with this leg back, this really feels good on the front of the hip where the hip flexor is. It kind of is a very gentle stretching. Now, and what I didn't go into the other video is you can draw circles, you can draw straight lines just forward and back, you can go side to side, or you can even draw infinity symbols. And that feels quite nice too. And so you can draw the infinity symbols this way, or you can draw them this way, right? So it's really up to you and your imagination and what you feel like doing. So obviously you would want to do both sides, and so you would draw circles. And again, it just feels so good on that back leg. Very gentle opening. And again, this is great for the lower back because you're creating mobility between your pelvis and your low back. Now, we did it standing, and in the other video, we also did it hanging. And that's why I'm here, because oh man, when you do that staggered stance here and hang, hello mama. That is some good stuff right there. So if you have the ability to hang, you might want to also try this with a staggered stance. And it feels so, neat on that leg that's back. Because what was gentle opening here when we were standing is extremely gentle here in a very interesting way. All right, so again, why would you do that? So you can look really odd in public, and so you can feel great and try to help your low back out and create some separation between your pelvis and your low back. I'm gonna show you one more way to do this because I like you, but I'm gonna warn you, this one is not to be done in public. I mean, you can, but. So, get on all fours. And here, same thing. You're gonna imagine the very tip of your tailbone is a Sharpie. And we're gonna draw circles with that Sharpie. And this, well, still feels good, feels interesting. But again, we're just gaining mobility and learning mobility and getting control of it through different positions as our body relates to gravity. So that way, no matter what position you're in, you have your mobility and control in ways that you can move. But you should try this. Not in public. Anyway, it's the Coccyx swirl or infinity symbol or forward to back, side to side, whatever you want to do. It's really exploring where you can move so that you can move, basically, so that you can feel good. Anyway, give that a shot. Would love to hear your comments. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.